Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So many of you have been asking what my evenings look like, especially how I unwind after a long day. So tonight, I'm taking you with me for my cozy nighttime routine. Come on in. The first thing I do when I get home is change into something super comfy. Seriously, getting out of work clothes and into sweats is the best feeling. Right then, it's straight to the kitchen. I'm usually not a big dinner person, so I'll whip up something light, like a big salad with some grilled chicken or a simple veggie fry. While I eat, I like to catch up on some of my favorite YouTube videos or just put on some chill music. It's my time to just decompress and not think about work at all. After dinner, it's time for my wind-down ritual. I'll dim the lights and light a candle. This lavender one is my absolute favorite for relaxation. Then, I head to the bathroom for my skincare routine. This is non-negotiable for me. It feels so good to wash the day away. I'll start with a gentle cleanser, followed by a toner, a hydrating serum, and finally, a rich moisturizer. Taking these few minutes for self-care really helps signal to my brain that it's time to rest. Once I'm all fresh and clean, I'll spend about 20 to 30 minutes reading a book. I try to stay off my phone at least an hour before bed because the blue light really messes with my sleep. Reading a physical book helps my mind slow down and get ready for sleep. Right now, I'm reading a really great fantasy novel. Let me know in the comments if you want a book recommendation video. Finally, I'll do a few gentle stretches to release any tension from the day. Hop into bed and maybe journal for a few minutes if my mind is still busy. I'll write down 3 things I'm grateful for. 2. It's a small practice, but it puts me in such a positive mindset before I drift off. And that's pretty much it. That's my simple, cozy nighttime routine that helps me relax and get a great night's sleep. What does your evening routine look like? Share some of your favorite wind-down activities in the comments below. Thanks so much for hanging out with me tonight. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Sweet dreams.